Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to update graphic card drivers on your Windows 11. So for this guys, follow this easy and very simple method. I am going to show you three methods to update the driver of your graphic card. So first method is this guys, just you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. So with this help of shortcut key guys, you can easily open these settings. In the settings, in the left panel you can get the option Windows Update. Just click on it and here click on advanced option, and here just slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option optional update. Just click on it, and here you can get the option driver update. Just extend this menu. In the list of driver guys, just you need to select your graphic card driver like this. After this guys, just click on download and install. So it will download and install the latest update of your graphic card driver. So this is the first method. So second method is this guys. Now you need to open the device manager on your PC. To open the device manager guys, just hold Windows key button and press X from your keyboard. Okay, here guys, find out the device manager and open it. In the device manager guys, just extend display adapters and it will show the graphic card. As you can see, it will show your graphic card. Just right click on that. From here you can get the option update driver. Just click on it. From here you can get two options. You can easily update online, or you can easily update the driver from your PC. This is the second method. With this help of, you can also easily able to update the graphic card. Okay, so last and final method is this guys. Third method, you can easily able to update the graphic card driver from the manufacturer official website. Just you can open any browser on your PC. After this guys, just in the Google you need to search your graphic card name just and driver in the Google and open the official website of that graphic card. As you can see, from here you can easily also able to download the graphic card driver manually. So this is the third method. So with this help of easy and simple methods guys, you can easily update your graphic card driver on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.